Cordless vacuums are the ultimate home companions, seamlessly combining lightweight design with powerful suction capabilities to conquer any dust bunny, no matter how big. Their versatility extends to all types of flooring and even the most awkward corners, while their compact build ensures easy storage. At our testing facility, we go beyond the lab, subjecting these vacuums to real-life scenarios with pets, children, and the chaos of everyday living. We've compiled a list of the top 5 cordless vacuums, highlighting their key features and essential factors to consider, making it easier for you to choose the perfect fit for your needs. Check the description below for product links. Let's get started at number 5. Eufy H30 Infinity Cordless Vacuum. With 80 air watts and 16 psi of suction power, the Eufy H30 Infinity effortlessly tackles dirt and debris in those hard-to-reach places, making cleaning a breeze. Its lightweight design allows you to clean high shelves, air vents, and light fixtures with ease. But that's not all. Switch between Eco and Max modes to handle different messes with the touch of a button. Need to mop as you vacuum? The Eufy H30 Infinity features a unique mop module and floor attachment for thorough cleaning on hard floors. With its moist mop cloths, it ensures no liquid is left behind. Worried about charging and storage? Fret not. Keep your cordless vacuum charged and ready to use with its convenient charging dock, while all the attachments find a home in one place, ensuring the H30 Infinity is always within reach when you need it. Need a vacuum for multiple purposes? The Eufy H30 Infinity comes with a range of versatile attachments, including the mini motorized pet brush, hard floor attachment, and a 2-in-1 crevice tool, allowing you to tackle any mess around your home. Just a quick tip, while the mini motorized tool is a powerhouse for removing pet hair, it's best not to use it on wet surfaces or with extension tubes. Wondering about maintenance? We've got you covered. Remember to clean the filters once a week or twice a week if they're really dirty. Don't forget to replace them every 6 months or after 50 cleaning sessions to ensure your Eufy H30 Infinity is always performing at its best. With the Eufy H30 Infinity Cordless Vacuum, cleaning is no longer a chore but a breeze. Say hello to a spotless home without the hassle. Number 4. Tineco Puro NES 11 Cordless Vacuum. The ultimate cleaning companion for your home. With its revolutionary eLoop smart sensor technology, the Pure One S11 detects hidden dust and debris, automatically adjusting its suction power in real time, ensuring a thorough clean and giving you complete cleaning confidence. Its powerful 130W ultra-quiet digital motor guarantees a deep clean without the noise, giving you more quality time with your loved ones, even the furry ones. With up to 40 minutes of runtime, the Pure One S11 is perfect for those uninterrupted whole house cleanings, letting you breeze through your chores effortlessly. Its cordless and lightweight design allows for easy maneuverability, converting seamlessly to a handheld vacuum with versatile attachments for those hard-to-reach places, whether it's your stairs, your car, or even your favorite sofa. With its onboard color, LED display, and the Tineco app, you can easily monitor your cleaning progress, battery levels, and suction performance, making every cleaning experience an intelligent one. Say goodbye to the hassle and hello to a cleaner, happier home with the Tineco Pure One S11. Number 3. Samsung Bespoke Cordless Vacuum. Let's talk about power. With Samsung's Hexajet MotorMem technology, this vacuum delivers an incredible 210 W of suction power, ensuring a thorough clean on any surface, from plush carpets to hard floors. And the clean station? It's not just any dustbin. It's a smart technology that captures an astounding 99.99% of dust and debris with just the touch of a button, leaving your floors beyond immaculate. No more hassle of switching brush rolls mid-clean. The Jet Dual brush is designed to effortlessly glide across various surfaces, from luxurious carpets to sleek, bare floors, providing you with a seamless cleaning experience. Its ultralight, contemporary design allows you to effortlessly navigate through every nook and cranny, ensuring that not a speck of dust is left behind. And let's not forget its premium finishes and colors that add a touch of elegance to any space. Breathe cleaner air with the Bespoke Jet's advanced 5-layer HEPA filtration, which traps up to 99.999% of microdust particles, safeguarding your family's health and well-being. With a removable and long-lasting battery, enjoy uninterrupted cleaning for up to 60 minutes, allowing you to move freely from room to room without any interruptions. Equipped with an array of tool attachments, including the versatile crevice tool and the gentle yet effective combination tool, this vacuum ensures no corner or surface is left untouched. Adjust the telescopic pipe to your preferred height and easily monitor your vacuum's performance through the user-friendly digital display, providing you with all the essential information you need at a glance. Experience the future of cleaning with the Samsung Bespoke Cordless Vacuum. Elevate your cleaning routine and embrace a pristine, dust-free home effortlessly. Try it today and witness the power of innovation in your hands. Number 2. Shark IZ462H Cordless Vacuum. With its hypervelocity accelerated suction, this lightweight vacuum delivers unparalleled cleaning performance, effortlessly tackling both hard floors and carpets. Thanks to the advanced Duo Clean power fins, this innovative technology ensures continuous contact with all surfaces, digging deep into carpets while directly engaging hard floors, leaving your home spotless with every pass. Worried about pet hair? The Shark IZ462H features a self-cleaning brush roll, ensuring powerful pickup without any hair wrap hassle. Need to reach those tricky spots? The Multiflex technology allows you to bend the wand, easily cleaning under furniture or storing it compactly when not in use. Breathe easier with the Shark IZ462H's HEPA filtration and anti-allergen complete seal, effectively capturing and trapping dust, allergens, and dander, ensuring cleaner air for you and your loved ones. Transforming into a handheld vacuum, it's perfect for above-floor cleaning, giving you the freedom to clean every nook and cranny effortlessly. No more interruptions during cleaning. The XL Dust Cup with Clay and Touch Dirt Ejector allows for easy disposal so you can keep cleaning without any interruptions. Discover hidden dirt and debris with ease, thanks to the LED headlights that illuminate even the darkest corners of your home. Number 1. Dyson V15 Cordless Vacuum. Equipped with a groundbreaking laser illumination feature that reveals even the microscopic dust particles lurking on your floors. With its precisely angled laser, you can now bid farewell to invisible dust and embrace a deeper level of cleanliness for your entire home. Engineered for the modern home, the Dyson V15 is your ultimate companion for deep cleaning, especially in homes with pets. Its powerful suction, advanced cleaner heads, and 7 Dyson-engineered tools make it a versatile powerhouse that effortlessly tackles every cleaning challenge. The integrated LCD screen offers scientific proof of a thorough clean, calculating, and categorizing the particles it picks up, keeping you informed throughout your cleaning journey. Thanks to its intelligent sensors, the V15 optimizes suction and run time, adapting seamlessly to various floor types and levels of debris, ensuring a perfect balance of power and efficiency. Worried about allergens and pollutants? Fear not. The Dyson V15 comes with an advanced whole machine filtration system that traps 99.99% of particles as small as 0.3 microns, keeping your home safe and clean for your loved ones. Need to clean your car, stairs, or upholstery? Simply convert the Dyson V15 into a handheld device and let its powerful suction and innovative tools take care of the rest. Say goodbye to hidden dust and hello to a cleaner, healthier home with the Dyson V15. Experience the future of deep cleaning today.